Happy Wednesday, Oakwood Kinders. Happy Hump Day. We have been working so hard on all types of graphs, and after today's lesson, you will have learned all about all the graphs you need to know. Before we get started on the last one, we are going to review the ones we've already learned just by telling me what kind they are, okay? So let's look at this one. What kind of graph is this? It has a title and labels, a key, and the data is represented in pictures. Go ahead, shout it out. Good. Pictograph or picture graph. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, how about this one? It has a title. It has a circle that's divided into parts. It has labels and percentages. Yeah, good job. A pie chart or pie graph. Very good. We know because it looks like a big pizza pie, right? And we want to take the big piece, the biggest slice, or the biggest part, right? That means it has the most represented. Awesome. Okay, what about this graph? Let's see. Titles, labels, numbers. And the data is in the form of good bars. So that means it's a bar graph. Very good. And the last one we've talked a lot about has a title. It has marks. It has labels. Good. A tally chart, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws the line. And then we just go on and try to make more groups of 10 after that, right? Awesome job, boys and girls. Mwah! Double kiss your brains. So our last chart, we kind of talked about it, right? And if you were watching a couple weeks ago when we first started graphs and you watched my story time, we did it. So in story time, so let's see. Oh, hold on, let me pause because I wanted to show you something else. 1 second, it's not pausing. Okay, I'm back. So remember before when we did the chart at the very beginning when we were just practicing sorting, because we said the first part of making a graph is sorting your data, right? And so we sorted summer versus winter items, right? And we said this was kind of a really simple graph. It's a chart because we only had 2 choices, right? And so we said it was either summer or winter, right? But here in Arizona, sometimes there might be some things that we need in summer and winter in terms of clothing or things we do because it starts off chilly in the morning and then it gets warmer. And there's other things that we have to compare, right, when we maybe only have 2 choices, but they're not all in one category or another, remember? Do you remember what we called that? What is this called with these 2 circles? It's a kind of chart or graph I said that so many teachers love to use. Yeah, it's a Venn diagram. And so when I think we were doing 2 books, right? Yeah, those 2 shark books. And we said what was the same about one and what was the same about the other. Remember? So everything that was about one story was in this circle. And everything that was about the other stories in this circle, and where they overlap, that's what shows how they're the same, right? So we said a Venn diagram helps us to compare 2 things. And so it's very easy for us to see how they're different when they're in their own part of the circle, or how they're the same when they share the middle part of the circle. That's how they're the same. So we are going to, and Venn diagrams have a title, right? It says Venn diagrams sort and classify shapes and colors. So B-L-U-E spells what? Good, blue. So in this circle, we are going to put all of the things that are blue. In this circle, we're going to do everything that is circle shaped, right? So what goes in the middle? What goes in the middle? Very good. We're going to put things that are both blue and a circle. Okay, so I'm randomly going to pick, and you're going to karate chop or karate kick, whatever you want to do. This side if it's just blue, this side if it's just a circle, and you're going to karate chop or karate kick the middle if it's both blue and a circle. Okay, let's see. How about this one? Donut. Where should I put that one? Yep, it's a circle, right? So I'm going to put it right here. And this one? Button is a circle, right? I kind of have to have them overlap because there's not that much room. Ooh, what about this one? Good. It is an octagon, right? So it's not a circle, and it's blue, right? I should have told you. I should have made you tell me what that shape was. Silly Mrs. Gibbs. Remember, 8 sides is an octagon, right? All right, what about this one? Ooh, what's the shape? Yeah, 4 equal sides is a square. So karate chop it. Where does it go? Yep, it is not a circle, but it is blue. So I need to put it on this side. All right, what about this one? Ooh, pizza. Good. I should make that closer for you. It is a circle. Definitely not blue. I'm going to put it on top of here. All right, so far, what do we have more of? Good, circle shaped. Do we have any that are circle and blue? Not yet. I wonder if we'll get any. What's this? Good. You karate chopped the circle. I felt that one. That was hard. Some of you karate kicked it so hard. Oh, what about this bear's head? Good. Another circle. Oh my goodness. I'm really going to have to be going on top of everything. Right. So this isn't as easy as like a bar graph or a picture graph, right? But I still have to count. But you can see there's definitely more circles than there are blue objects so far. What about this one? What shape is it? Yeah, good. It's a circle. Except what? Oh, you're right. Not only is it a circle, it's also blue. So do I put it on this side or this side? No, you're right. I put it in the middle because remember, if it's something that's the same, it goes in the middle. Since it's a circle and it's blue, I have to put it in the middle. Good job. Oh, what about this one? Oh, I should let you karate chop. Another blue circle goes right in the middle. And this one? Oh my goodness. Yep, another circle, but it's not blue this time, so it just goes on this side. Oh, I'm going to have to overlap. All right. And this one? All right. What do you think? Karate chop or kick? Yeah, well, it is blue, but is this a circle? No, a door is what shape? 2 short and 2 long sides. Yes, it's a rectangle, so it just goes on the blue side. Just goes on the blue side. All right, got a few more. You're doing awesome. Oh, one of my favorite things. Where should I put the cookie? Yes, on the circle. Okay, now I'm starting to go off of this circle because I have so many circles. Okay, what about this one? Yummy orange slice. Where does it go? Oh my goodness. On top of here. I have to put it on top of that pink button. Oh my goodness, I'm overflowing. My Venn diagram is crazy. What about this one? Where do I put that one? Karate chop or karate kick? Yes, that button goes right in the middle because it's circle and it's blue. And it's blue. 2 more to go. Yeah. Oh, I should give it to you. Yep, you're right. Another one right for the middle. The button is a circle and it's blue. So it has to go in the middle. The middle is where they're the same. That's how they overlap. And last one. Yep, it's blue. Do I put it in the middle? No, how come? Oh, you're right. It's not a circle. It has 3 sides. What shape has 3 sides? A triangle. Good. So it goes just on the blue side. All righty, boys and girls. Great job. I need to get a marker. 1 sec. All right. So you see, boys and girls, a Venn diagram definitely helps us sort information, right? But it's not as helpful as, say, a bar graph or a pictograph, right? Because that's very easy to compare the two of who has more and less. With this one, it's helpful because we can definitely sort it into just blue or just circle and what has both. But it's still hard. It's going to be hard for us to count. It can give us some pretty useful information and say, oh, it's very easy to see that we have the most of. Yeah, we have the most circles because look, they're overlapping. But to count them, we're definitely still going to have to count them. It's not as easy as just looking here, or especially with the bar graph where you can just look down and not even have to count and just say, oh, easy peasy. 5 it is, right? Okay, so helpful, but not as helpful as some other type of graphs. Okay, so let's count it up. How many things did we have that were just blue? We had our, what was this again? 8 sides, octagon, our square, our door shaped like a rectangle, and a triangle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 objects were just blue. Swim down and over and down some more. Look, you made the number 4. That's right. Okay, now let's go in the middle. How many objects were both blue and a circle? Shout it out. Yeah, 4 again. Swim down and over and down some more. Right, just 4 again. And then finally, oh my goodness, how many were just a circle? I'm going to have to get all of these. You're going to have to help me count. Make sure I don't miss any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I think I did. So I'm going to make an S and do not wait. Race to the top to make an 8. That's kind of a bad 8 going that way, but I did my best. All right. So that, boys and girls, is a Venn diagram. It helps us compare 2 things and say how they're the same, which is in the middle, and how they are different. And you will see these over and over and over again throughout your school years if you haven't already, right? Great useful tool for comparing information. All right, so tomorrow, boys and girls, will be our last lesson on graphing. We're going to kind of put it all together, review a little bit more, and make a graph about dinosaurs. So come ready to tell me all the things you learned about graphs, bar graphs and pictographs and pie charts or pie graphs and tally charts and everything. We're going to put it all together to make one cool dinosaur graph. All right, so I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.